Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to import footer as JSON file in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we have file footer.json. So we are going to import it. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see templates and then you see theme builder. So open it. Then on left side you see footer and then you see add new. So click on it. Now you see blocks, pages, my template. Now click on my templates and then you see import template. So click on it and then select file. Now you see drag and drop your .json or .zip template file. Now select file. Now you see we have footer.json file. So you will import your footer file. Now close because we already upload this back to library. So in my template, now you see footer, click on insert, now loading. Now you see footer is added and then click on publish, add condition, entire site, save and close. Now update done. Now go to website. You see we have no footer. Now refresh the page and now you see footer. So in this way you can add JSON file for footer in Elementor Pro WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.